Hi guys, welcome back to the English virtual class. Today we are going to continue with the same poem Animals written by Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman is a great American poet. He is known as a poet of democracy. Some of his popular poems include Leaves of Grass, Passage to India, Drum Taps, Goodbye My Fancy, etc. Okay, as he wrote in free verse without any restraint, many of his poems seem to be prose poems. Some critics refused to admit him as a poet, though soon he acquired a prominent position in American poetry. He is considered actually the father of free verse. Free verse is poetry without regular patterns of rhyme or meter. Coming to the theme of the poem, Animals by Walt Whitman underlines the idea that animals, in comparison with human beings, seem to be superior. Unlike human beings, animals are calm, relaxed, and contented. They are free from any question of morality or immorality. They do not weep over their sins, nor do they have any sense of being superior or inferior. Implicitly, the poet criticizes human beings for their mean, selfish, and egotistic mentality. He wonders why and how human beings evolved from animals forgot the animal characteristics which are certainly superior or at least worth emulating. So, he feels that, in fact, he regrets that human beings on their path to civilization forgot the qualities of selflessness, contentment, equality, and brotherhood. Coming to the literary devices, we have that is free verse, that is a style of writing where there is no particular rhyme scheme or meter, etc. Okay, of course, though it doesn't have, he had used the words so repeatedly and stressed that had given a poetic effect to this particular poem. You can see the words repeated like they do not sweat and whine about their condition. They do not lie awake in the dark and weep for their sins. Coming to the next poetic devices, alliteration. The alliteration is very clear or vivid in lines like, the mania of owning things, repetition of n sound. They do not lie awake in the dark, this repetition of K sound. Coming to the next poetic device, we have repetition. Okay, I stand and look at them long and long. The word long and long is repeated. And another poetic device we have anaphora. Anaphora is nothing but repetition of the words or phrases in the beginning. So we have here, they do not sweat, they do not lie awake, they do not make me sick, right? And the last one you have metaphor, wherein the word tokens represents the virtues or the qualities, okay, that human beings have forgotten, right? Coming to the message, the poem Animals gives us a clear message, okay, that we all should try to be calm, relaxed, and contented. Okay, we should learn from animals, you know, to free ourselves from the mania of possessing more and more things. There's no use of grumbling over our condition. We should remain happy and contented in all circumstances. Like animals, we should not suffer needlessly from any sense of morality or immorality. We should shed false sense of respectability, as no one is superior or inferior. We should stop discriminating man from man in the name of religion, race, caste, and complexion. We should be free from hypocrisy. And this animal word in fact provides many lessons to us human beings. Hope you understood the theme and message of the poem children. Okay, with this I'm going to end my explanation in today's class, and I'll be meeting you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.